Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to make a tutorial about LineRenderer in Unity. If we make an empty game object, we can add a LineRenderer to this game object easily by clicking this button and type line. You will see this LineRenderer here. Click it to add it. Then this LineRenderer has this position list. Right now it has two size. The size is 2. You can set it to from 0 to whatever you like. So let's say we have two positions of the point for our lines. The first position is 0 and 0 and 0 xyz, and the second position, let me set it to somewhere, sorry, here. Let me type 5. Then 5 here is here inside in our scene. The second position is here, 5x 0y and 0z. You can change its position anywhere like this, and you can click Ctrl D on this second line to duplicate it, and it will be the third line. Ctrl D to make new line like this. Now we have 4 lines, and there is an option here. If you check this loop option, it will close the line. It will draw the last line to the first point. So we have a closed circuit line like this. Okay, what if we want to add the line according to some game object's position? For example, let me delete all of these points for the LineRenderer. Let's say we have 3 cubes here, 1, 2 and 3. What if we want to draw lines connecting all of these 3 cubes? So to do so, we need to create a script. Let me type a name for the script: lines of cubes. I will attach this script to our first game object that has the LineRenderer in it. I place it here, and then let's edit the script. We add LineRenderer line. On the start we type line get component LineRenderer, and then we will add public list of game object cubes, and then inside the update we do a for int I equal to 0, I less than cubes dot count I plus plus. Then inside the for loop block we type line dot set position. It will take 2 parameters. First one is the index of the line point, and the second is the position target of the point that we want to match the position of the line. In this case, we will add this cube with index I to it. Now if we go back to our Unity editor, line number that, oh, without these symbols, and 22. Oh, okay. Cubes I dot transform dot position. Okay. Click this main game object, and we have this cubes list here. I will lock this object in the inspector so I can grab multiple items and place it here, uncheck it. Let's run the game. Oops. Set the size of the line from the script. Line position count should be matching the cubes dot count. Okay, let's go back to Unity editor. Equals. Okay, seems it is correct. Now without typing the size of the line here manually, we can just run it like this. So we have multiple objects. If you duplicate the cubes, for example this one, and we place it there and here, then we add the then we add 1 2 3 number, this one and the last one, without touching this position size, and we play the game, we will see those lines are being drawn. Okay, that is for drawing the line, but there is something else that we need to do here. That is here we have the width of the line. If we want the smaller size of the line, the thinner line, you can drag it this way, and this is the material slot. We can use some material. For example, I will use that yellow material as the line material, and let's play the game again. Now we see the lines with that yellow material. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.